Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Yidio's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your Yidio's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Yidio application. The home page of Yidio application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on have an account sign in option. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Yidio's account and tap on arrow icon. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot password option. This is how you can log into your Yidio's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.